Bro, it's your boy G Ice, and you're watching G Ice World. Welcome to Southside Chicago with your boy G Ice. Let's get it, man. Let's go. And today, what we gonna do today? I'm gonna let you know what we're gonna do today. Today we finna eat some that super falafel boy in the hood, boy. Let's get it, man. Let's go. I'll show you. Finna break in this house real quick. And there it is. Ooh. We got the super falafel boy. Let's get him, man. I bet. The boy G Ice got the Versace bread, got the Gucci bread, got the Gucci falafel boy. Let's get it. That's how you make a Gucci sandwich, boy. In the hood, boy. Let's go. Let's go. He's a secret sauce, boy. Yeah, boy, yeah. Look at it. Ooh, so sizzling, boy. That's a Gucci oil, boy. So, right here, we got the Gucci bread, boy. Yeah. That's how you make a Gucci falafel sandwich in the hood, boy. Let's go. Then you smoosh it up, boy. Smoosh it up like this. Yeah, see that? It's super lit, boy. Then you fold it like this. Then you fold it like that. Then you fold it like that. Then you be like, yum. Oh, look at that. It's lit. Oh, look at it, boy. It's lit. You want some too? I got you, bro. Open your mouth. Say, I got you, bro. You're welcome. You want the rest of it? I got you, bro. Here, open your mouth, bro. I got you. Right here, I got the Gucci water, bro. Let me know how it tastes, bro. Down in the comments, bro. Let's get them out. Let's go. You want another one? I got you, bro. You get the Gucci bread, bro. Then you walk right here, bro. And you put one. You put two. Then you smush it like this, boy. Nah. You take it with you. You sizzling, boy. Yeah. Ooh, that's beautiful. Take it. Put it right here. Yeah, boy. This one for you, boy. I got you. So I was gonna go outside to eat it to make sure that we was in the hub, but nah. So I'm gonna eat it right here in the room, boy. I'm gonna eat it in a room. What? I bet. You want a piece, bro? Here you go. Open your mouth, boy. Here you go. Hum. You want another piece? Here you go. Open your mouth. There you go. You got it. You want the whole thing? I got you. That's why I made it for you. Hum. Huh? I got you. You want to talk with your mouth before? If I'm not talking. Because you want to talk with your mouth before, boy. I bet. Is your budget ice? Let me know down in the comments if you like it. How it taste? Tastes good? Tastes Gucci falafel, boy, is nice? I bet. Want to see the Gucci room, boy? Ooh. I bet. Not finna wash my hands. You wanna watch me wash my hands? Nah. I'm gonna turn it off, B. Alright, your boy G-Ice. G-Ice World. Signing off, boy. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Pow.